Hey there, in this walkthrough, I'll show you the Real Estate Transaction Coordinator and Closing Checklist. From accepted offer to keys in hand, a real estate deal has dozens of moving pieces and deadlines that can't slip. This workbook keeps every transaction, date, and document organized in one place, so nothing gets missed and every closing lands on time. Let's take a look. We start on the Start Here tab. It's a friendly welcome that explains how the workbook is laid out and the order to work through it, so you feel confident from the very first deal. The Settings tab is where you tailor everything to how you work, your transaction stages, milestone timelines, and the drop-down lists that keep every deal consistent. The Pipeline tab is your bird's-eye view of every active transaction. Each deal gets a row with its address, client, status, and price, so you can see your whole book of business at a glance and know exactly where each one stands. The Critical Dates tab is the heart of the tool. Inspection, appraisal, financing, and closing deadlines all live here. And the workbook counts down the days and flags anything that's coming due. So a missed date never costs you a deal. The closing checklist walks each transaction through every task that has to happen before the finish line. You check items off as you go, and you always know what's done and what's still outstanding. The Contacts tab keeps everyone in the deal, buyers, sellers, agents, lenders, title, and inspectors in one organized directory, so the right phone number is always a click away. The Documents tab tracks the paperwork, what's been requested, received, and signed, so you're never scrambling to figure out which form is still missing. The Commission tab does the math for you. Enter the sale price and your split, and it calculates what you'll earn on each deal and across your pipeline, so you always know what's coming. Finally, the dashboard pulls it all together: active deals, upcoming deadlines, projected commission, and anything flagged as at risk. So one screen tells you exactly where to focus today. And that's the full system. It works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, so you can manage your deals from the office or on the road. The link to grab your copy is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to smooth closings.